Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you a detailed video on how to use the multi-lift with a PIR mount in the rear of a Chrysler Pacifica in this particular case to lift the wheelchair and then bring it out and around to the sidewalk, typically if you're in a parallel parking situation. This is a detailed video only, and it's designed to be seen with other videos in the notes field down below. So do make sure to check out those other videos. That'll give you a more general idea of what the product is and what it can do for you. The multi-lift, as you probably know, is a multiple purpose lift designed around the idea that one lift can solve all of your lifting and transferring problems. So the same lift that you use to lift yourself into the front of the vehicle can be used, as we're showing here, in the back of the vehicle to get your wheelchair into and out of the vehicle. So here I'm raising the wheelchair, bringing it out of the vehicle, and this is great. Now this is kind of the normal position where we would lower the wheelchair to go down to the ground, okay, but here we're actually going to bring it out because we've got this additional extension which you'll add in when that's needed to bring it out here, way out in this direction, which allows you to put it easily on the sidewalk in a parallel parking situation. So let's say you were to be in that parallel parking situation. You exit the vehicle, okay, come around, pick up your wheelchair, put it into the back of the vehicle, and head about your business, and vice versa. When you're heading into the vehicle, bring it up, rotate around. Now when you get to this point, you may have to pull it a little bit, get it to go in the right shape, because the joint does need to be maneuvered a little bit there. Especially when you don't raise the wheelchair up enough. Okay, now we're back down. Ready to hook up our tie down, stow the lift, and hit the road. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our detailed video here. It's meant to be seen in conjunction with other videos in the notes field down below, so do make sure to check those out. You can contact us at www.accessunlimited.com or give us a call evenings and weekends, country code 1-615-873-0518, and daytimes, Eastern Standard Time, during the week is 1-607-669-4822. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the multi-lift system, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.